Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2019 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. This vehicle has 541 horsepower with a twin turbo V8 and does 0 to 60 in a blisteringly quick 3.5 seconds. It's pretty amazing. The Cayenne Turbo is a monster. It also has an 8-speed Tiptronic S transmission. You have a center analog gauge which says turbo on it, pretty nice. And then you have like the map screen, and you have 2 digital screens on the sides. You can have a full map or you can see other things, so you have 5 gauges in total. Looks awesome. Classic Porsche design right there. Nice looking screen. You do have Apple CarPlay, and I believe it has Android Auto, but they are wired, if I'm not mistaken. Heated and ventilated front seats, sport mode, suspension mode, or you can alter the suspension stiffness. Love how it says turbo on the seats. Leather interior. You have a big panel roof. Nice rear seats. But let's walk around this Cayenne Turbo. Nice sounding V8. Black exterior. Giant Porsche brake calipers. It also says Porsche on the door. Good looking Cayenne. Here are the rear seats. You have heated rear seats, which is cool. Bose sound system. Quad outlet exhaust, square shape. And here's the trunk. The Cayenne Turbo always has been a monstrous vehicle. So they all have tons of power. 3.5 seconds 0 to 60 is ridiculous for an SUV. That's pretty insane. You also have a heated steering wheel. In Porsches, the heated steering wheel's right there. You would never know unless you know. Yeah, the twin turbo V8 has a really awesome sound. This one does not have the sport chrono package. You do have a clock up there. It's not the chronograph clock. And you don't have the sport mode selector on the steering wheel. God. Such effortless acceleration in this car. Wow, that's insane. So the Cayennes don't have a PDK, they have Tiptronic, because the PDK, it's like for the smaller cars and everything like that, and I think people want to tow with the Cayenne and everything too, so it doesn't, and also they want to like tow with the Cayenne, and the PDK is not like the right transmission for that, and also like when it has, and there's some other reasons for it too, which I can't remember, but I think towing was a big reason as to why Cayennes don't have PDK, and I think they tried PDK for a while, but they switched back to Tiptronic, because Tiptronic just suits the Cayenne better. Yeah, this car is monstrously quick. It's so effortless. Ride is really smooth, even with this sport suspension setting in the second setting, and it's on the sport mode, so it's pretty cool. This thing just pulls. Goodness, that is so cool. God, that's so crazy. This car's such a beast. absolute rocket. Like oh yeah, right when I pressed the suspension button, made it go back to normal, you can literally feel the difference. Honestly, like, it's still really comfortable even with that sports suspension. And that's, I guess, like, this car is meant to obviously be very comfortable. It's a Cayenne, but it doesn't feel harsh in any way, which is really good. A lot of performance, or not a lot, but some performance SUVs, when you put it in the sporty setting, they become really harsh, which is not what I'm really looking for. I want the suspension to be stiff, but I don't want the ride to be harsh. And this car does not have a harsh ride at all. I cannot believe how crazy this thing pulls. Goodness, that's phenomenal. That's really, really impressive speed from this Cayenne. Amazing, truly amazing right there. And with it being Porsche, you know, materials feel great in here. The seats feel really comfortable, they're really cushy. And then the metal, the shift paddles are made of like metal and they feel great behind the wheel. Pretty awesome. And here's the reverse camera. There's no 360 camera. That sounds amazing. That sounds so good. That's impressive. You can hit car, look at your modes and everything like that. You also have a retractable spoiler. Pretty funny on a Cayenne, but that's kind of cool. You have an off-road mode as well. And then, so you can see your tire pressures, the map. Scroll through these and you can see, oh, it has adaptive cruise control. That's cool. And it has like, the steering wheel has a little sporty look right there. But it's a really, really nice car. Awesome Cayenne right here. I think this is one of the, I've only driven one other Cayenne Turbo before, but this is pretty awesome. I think I drove the previous generation before this. But overall, awesome Porsche right here. Thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome vehicles like this Porsche Cayenne Turbo.